Hey you guys, Christina Bauer, Texas Lyme Alliance. I wanted to send a brief video to you guys to let you know that we have really great news to share and have just recently started the 89th Texas legislative session here in Texas and have gotten one of the legislators in San Antonio to bite and sent our 3 out of 4 of our bills that I've been working on for years to get drafted. So all hands on deck. Please email your legislators. You don't need to do anything special. Just write them what your problems have been here in Texas getting tested and treated. And for more backup information, you guys can go to my personal Facebook page, Instagram, or my Texas Lyme Alliance Facebook page or Instagram page and see my current newsletter host a survey that is only like 8 short questions about you or your kids that got Lyme disease in Texas, whether congenital or not, doesn't matter. Please fill that out because research and statistics matter when, not if, but when we get these bills to floor. So please, please, please go look at the MailChimp newsletter that I have just posted in this group and others on my pages, public pages, for you guys to take part in helping yourselves get up and out of bed and stay out of bed. My family, 4 kids and I, my 4 congenital kids and I are all in remission and doing really well, and I want to keep us that way, and I would love to help you guys do that too. So please help us. We have some great volunteers that are working real hard to make this happen for you guys in Texas, and I need your help. So just a short, quick video today, and reminding you guys to please send emails and phone calls to your legislators. There's lots of cookie cutter help in the MailChimp email newsletter that I sent, including how to find your legislator. So they need to hear from you guys. I have a real easy script that I wrote. You don't have to use that if you don't like it, but it outlines all the problems within surveillance, mapping, and medical education that's not reaching Texas doctors. So lots of other states, well, a couple other states have gotten really great bills passed to protect doctors and patients in their state. There's no reason why we can't either. So let's do this, Texas. Come on and support your girl here and all our volunteers at Texas Lyme Alliance, and we really appreciate you. And I would love to be able to get the majority of you up and out of feeling bad. And you can do it, but it does take good qualified help, and we need to get these bills passed in Texas. So please help us make that happen for Texas, and we all deserve quality medical care, every single one of us. So please help. Takes 5-10 minutes, not a big deal. Send an email to your legislator and fill out that survey. If you have any questions, just drop it down in the comments, and my volunteers or myself will do our best to get back to you. Thanks again. I hope you guys are staying warm and feeling good today. And if not, here is something that you can do that's quick, easy, and you can do from your bed to help yourselves and your kids stay well or to heal and get better. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good day. Love y'all.